every one of us has enough in himself or herself to just go ahead and create a beautiful world. I have no recollection of my grandfathers. I have no pictures of them. I don't know anything about them. And as far as my own life is concerned, I don't think I have 10 pictures of me before the age of 20. When my mother and father were born, there was no air conditioning. There was no computer, there was no flying machine. The ability to know what was going on in the world was not mine to know. Tell me what you think of that.
Okay.
Think we're going to keep that?
I think we'll keep it.
I was at a disadvantage growing up in a loving household, because I thought that that was just the norm. And my father was bouncing my mother on his knee when they were in their 60s and singing songs to her. And I thought, gee whiz, that's the way things go. And talk about being naive. Well, I'm not going to wait for that guy either. I hope he goes straight ahead now. One of the things that I was very fortunate to be able to do was nobody enjoyed Navy flying more than I. And if you find yourself smiling, then you're in the right position. This is Veterans Road.
Ah.
And so that's why they have those flags.
I think your turn signal's still on, Grandpa.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm very grateful for the fact that I had the eyes that could see, I had the heart that could beat. I didn't do anything to be qualified to be accepted. I was born with it. Oh, gee whiz, they got all the parking places taken. I could fill a huge volume with things I can't do, and I could write down on one sheet of paper what I can do. But I can do enough to have a hell of a good life, you know. Some of the best things I've learned in life, I learned from people I didn't like, and I tried to prove them wrong. Years later, doing what I argued with them was wrong, and I found myself adopting those particular practices. Too many people spend time competing with somebody else when they should be competing with themselves and trying to understand themselves. You have to like yourself. And the only way you won't like yourself is if you're always comparing yourself to somebody else.
Oh yeah, we can't wear
Did I
no.
have it on wrong
Can dress
again?
you up, but can't take you nowhere.
I got 4 beautiful children. I got 10 grandchildren. I'm enjoying myself. Come on, sit down so we can eat, will you?
Can't keep up with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
These weird
honey.
times.
These are good, but I don't want the polka dots on them.
What about this, Grandpa?
Excuse me, sir, can I get your autograph? And then I'll put a bottle of wine there. And then we're going to put another bottle of wine in between those lemons
This
and
looks like good
carrots.
pattern.
You think it's easy loading a car. life ain't easy sometimes, but the solution to the difficulties is in the simple. And that doesn't mean I didn't have, go down a side road with a few challenges every now and then. You don't go down the center of the road all your life. That's an impossibility. When you get up in the morning, you got your health, and you got a nice job to do, and you get nice friends to be around, and the least you can do is say thank you, and go on your way and enjoy it. You got the lights now. You're in charge of the lights.
Okay.
And I can't tell you how nice it is having you here. You bring joy and beauty to this house.
Oh, thanks, Grandpa.
And I'm going to tell you again for the 175th time, you know how nice you are. And you better know that, because it's ridiculous if you don't know everything about everything you have.